Hi, it's Heidi here from the Nest Kids CPR and Allergy. Now we'll talk about nosebleeds today because classically I walked into the child's vacation care yesterday and a child fell off the monkey bars right in front of me and bust her nose and had a nosebleed, and it's like I'm a magnet for these kind of things. So with a nosebleed, what we want to do is, if the child's nose is still actively bleeding, we want to actually just tilt their head slightly forward, okay? And we want to obviously have like just some sort of towel or flannel or even like a bowl under their nose to catch any blood. But we just want to press lightly on the soft part of the nose here. So turn your head slightly there. Soft part of the nose here for 10 minutes. When I say lightly, you don't want it that light. You want to be able to just give it a pinch, a little pinch, okay? So for 10 minutes, you need to hold it like that, okay? And with the head slightly forward. Now, if the head goes back, which is what we used to tell people to do, is the blood might run back and they might start swallowing the blood. And if there's one thing the stomach does not like and will not digest, it's blood. So it comes up and they'll vomit blood and it will look 10 times more dramatic than it needs to be. Okay, so, and obviously that's not nice for anyone. So head slightly forward, let the blood run out, pinch the soft part of the nose for at least 10 minutes, okay? And this should help stop the nosebleed, okay? If the child becomes dizzy or pale or feeling really unwell in any other way, do get them seen as soon as you can, okay? Like and follow us for more.